Hey there, pioneers! Here's how to get the power storage blueprint in Subnautica 2. Before you begin, it's highly recommended that you have the heat tolerance adaptation unlocked, as you'll be entering a high-temperature area to obtain one of the fragments. The power storage is essentially a backup battery for your base. It stores excess energy generated by your power sources and can provide power when your generators temporarily stop producing electricity. For the first fragment, head southeast from your life pod. Swim past the welcome center, then continue beyond these two tall pillars and this larger rock pillar. Keep going until you reach the final tall pillar beside a cliff. From the edge of that cliff, swim down toward the bottom and look for this large opening. Enter the cavern and descend until you find a hidden base. Once inside, take 2 right turns and you'll come across a power storage fragment at the end of a partially buried corridor. Pull out your scanner and scan it to unlock the first part of the blueprint. For the second and final fragment, return to your life pod and head southwest. Swim straight until you reach this large pillar with a wreck located to its left. Behind the pillar, you'll find another hidden base. Enter the facility and look immediately to your right. You'll find the second power storage fragment there. Scan it to complete the blueprint. Once you've unlocked the schematic, return to your base and use your habitat builder to construct a power storage. It requires 1 germanium ingot, 3 titanium, and 2 salt. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.